Guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be discussing about the Cipher, encryption, and decryption. So stay tuned to this video from start. Cipher in cryptography is an algorithm to perform encryption or decryption. So a series of well-defined steps can be followed as a procedure. An alternative, less common term is encipherment. So encipher or encode is to convert information into cipher. Okay, let's jump into how encryption work. So when we say how encryption work, it is the, as I said before, it is the process of taking a plain text, like a text message or email, and scrambled into unreadable form or unreadable format that we call that unreadable format is what we call. When the intended recipient access the message, the information is translated back to its original form. So this is what we call the decryption. To unlock the message, both the sender and the recipient have to use the secret encryption key. So a collection of what is encryption key? It is a collection of algorithms that are scrambled and unscrambled data to be back to a readable format. So next, we will be discussing about the definition and description and explanation about what is decryption. So it is discussed earlier that the reverse of encryption is the decryption. So let's always remember that what is the definition of decryption. So decryption is just the conversion of an encrypted data into its original form. It is what we call the decryption. So it is generally a reverse process of an encryption. So as I said earlier, it is the reverse process of encryption. It decodes the encrypted information so that an authorized user can only decrypt the data because decryption requires a secret key or a password. You can never decrypt if you don't have that secret key or a password. The recipient of the decryption receives a prompt or a window in which a password can enter and access the encrypted data. So for decryption, the system extract and convert the grabble data and transform it into words and images that are easily understandable not only for a reader but also by a system. Decryption can be done manually or automatically. It may be also performed with a set of key or password. So, okay, as a recap of this, what is decryption and what is encryption? Just always remember that decryption, it is the scrambling or the making the plain text to a ciphertext, or making a plain text to unreadable form. So we humans or other systems cannot easily read that message if they don't have that decryption password or decryption key. So, and then the decryption, it is the reverse of the encryption. So, pag sinabi natin reverse, it is the baliktaran, di ba? Yung encryption, it is to lock that message, and then the decryption, it is to unlock that message for us to access, for us to read that message, or for us to see that message, or if it is an image, so we can see that image. So that's it for the decryption and encryption. Hope I discuss about more, or I discuss about the difference between encryption and decryption. I know it is a broad discussion about that topic, so I'll just make it shorter because for you to understand and for my discussion to be enabled in a short in a short span of time. So I discuss about the cipher, the encryption, and then the decryption, and I hope you understand about those three topics. So cipher, it is an algorithm, and it is an algorithm for performing encryption and decryption. So those three words are connected to each other because of cryptography. So that's it, guys, and I will be discussing next later. I will be discussing how to convert a simple plain text into an ciphertext. So stay tuned to this video. I will roll this video for you to understand and how to convert a simple plain text to a ciphertext. So how to encrypt messages with the Cipher cipher. So we're using Cipher cipher. Okay, what is Cipher? This is a substitution cipher known as a shift cipher. All for this video, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy and meron kayo natutunan dito sa video ko to. So thank you, bye bye.